Okay, so for this one it might be tempting to take logarithms, but it's a non-calculator paper, and when you look carefully you can see, can't you, that these guys here, they can all be expressed as exponents of each other, so there's no need to go for logarithms. So the most efficient way is just find 5 squared to the 2x minus 1 equals 5 to the negative 1. This is 3 to the 2m minus 1 equals 3 to the 4 to the m minus 2. And this is 2 to the 2x over 2 to the 5 minus x equals 2 to the 4x over 2 to the 3 to the x minus 3. So I've done all three in one go because you can kind of see what's going on. So this is 5 to the 4x minus 2, power of a power, equals 5 to the minus 1. And so therefore you can clearly state that the bases are the same. So we obviously have to make the exponents match as well, because left hand side matches right hand side. So then that's an easy linear to solve. 4x minus 2 equals negative 1. 4x equals, what's that, 1. X equals 1/4. I mean, you can check that on your calculator if you want, but maybe no need. If you substitute back in here, 2 times 1/4 is 1/2. 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2. 25 to the negative 1/2. Yeah, of course, it's 1 over 25 squared, root was 1/5. So it kind of fits at the end, and you can check. So this one here, this is 3 to the 2m minus 1, matches 3 to the 4m minus 8. 2m minus 1 equals 4m minus 8. So that's 2m is equal to the 7. M is equal to 7 over 2. Okay. I'm not going to check that. I'm just going to move on and hope it's right. I hope it's right. Finally, I'm going to do some. Well, this is 2x. So this is 2 to the 2x divided by 2 to the 5 minus x, and this is 2 to the 4x over 2 to the 3x minus 9. Now you can do the division by subtracting, or you could cross multiply and do the addition. It's up to you. I'm going to do subtraction and hopefully get it right. So this is 2 to the 2x subtract 5 and then plus 5x, yeah? So that should be 3x minus 5. And over here this is 4x minus 3x minus 9. So that's 2 to the x plus 9. So clearly we've got the same thing again. 3x minus 5 must match the x plus 9. 2x must match the 14, so x has to be 7. Okay, so the final one here is find the value of integers p and q. So basically we're just going to work on the left hand side and break it down into bases 2 and bases 5. Well, I mean, you can see how that's going to work already. Straight away, this is 5 squared and this is 2 to the 4. Both of those are exponents to negative 3 over 2. So it's 5 to the 2 to the negative 3 over 2 over 2 to the 4 to the negative 3 over 2, and you've pretty much done it. This is 5 to the negative 3, and this is over 2 to the 12, 2 to the negative 6. It says p and q are integers, so we've satisfied that need. They just happen to be negative integers. Okay, so I think that's the final answer there.